Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks?
Dunkin'.
Oh.
Alright, cut him off. He doesn't get any more fuel. Krispy Kreme above that, though.
Okay, Dunkin' or McCafe?
Dunkin' still.
Bro, come on, really?
Yeah, McCafe is like the bottom of the barrel.
And Dunkin' Donuts is one step above that.
No doubt.
Starbucks is the best. Come on, sir. I know you back there. You look like you got something to say.
I'm just feeding them all the answers.
Oh, these are your answers?
Better question. Five Guys, Whataburger,
He's just
or
the bus
In-N-Out.
driver. I provide all the input.
Okay, okay. You have time to redeem yourself. Five Guys or Whataburger?
Five Guys. Five Guys or In-N-Out?
Five Guys or In-N-Out?
In-N-Out.
Okay, okay, okay. That's better. F-15 or F-22?
What kind of question is that?
It's a question. It's trivia. Come on now. This gas ain't free.
We can do a whole lot more than the 22.
Yeah, I hear that the 22 guys say they have a lot more room.
Have a lot more what?
A lot more room for activities.
It's a lie.